Hello and welcome to RLR Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and awesome video I will teach you how you can use if statement in VBA. This is the 18th video of this VBA series, and in this video we will learn if statement, and we will create an input box to put up the question of if statement, and we will use message box to display the if statement result. So without wasting any extra time, let's go to our VBA page and do start for this coding. So simply you can just press Alt F11 to go to your VBA page, and here we will type first our subject name. So that would be, let's say I'm taking sub, and the name is if test1. Any of the name you can put it over here which you want, and let's give the apostrophe symbol and do the comments for this coding. So this time I'm giving this code will use to create an input box of yes and no, or and to show the result via message box. Any message you can just put it over here for comment of your coding. Alright, so here let's start the coding, and for this I will take an string variable. Alright, so I also teach you in my another videos what is string and how you can use string in VBA. So here I'm taking the variable name of string, which name is, let's say I'm taking myIf. So dim myIf as string. Alright, and let's declare the myIf works. So here I'm asking myIf is equal to, via input box I am putting a question for user, are you Excel lover? Alright, here I'm asking in myIf variable via input box for user, are you Excel lover? So if my if statement would be yes, then what would be happen? Then in message box we will display a message, welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright, here I'm just giving a simple answer if user press yes, and let's close the and if for yes, and if my if is equal to no, then what will happen? Then again it will generate a message box, and here it will say you go back to your home. Simple. And let's close the and if condition, and if. So here I have just put it a simple coding for if statement. Here I'm taking a string variable name which is my if, and in my if I'm just putting an input box and asking a simple question to user, are you Excel lover? And if user says yes, then a message box will be generated, and in this message box will be written in VBA, welcome to our YouTube channel. And if user press no or n, then the again message box will be generated, and the message will be appear, which would be go back to your home. Simple. Let's press F5 and run our code. So here I'm pressing this button, which is run button, and now an input box is created. Are you Excel lover? If I say yes, then here it is saying welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright, and if I say no, then here it is saying go back to your home. So whatever message or whatever question or whatever answer you will be put in your VBA, that will be appear in your input box. Alright, here one thing that you have to remember mostly, which would be this one, if this saying are you Excel lover and you say that yes, then it will blankly get back to your VBA page, because here we have for yes we have done only Y, means user should have to press only in capital Y. He cannot put yes or any another sentence or any another number. If he will type, then you will get back to your VBA page. So you need to remember this one thing importantly. All right, so this is how you can create a if statement in VBA, and in next video I will teach you if else statement, which is too easy than this statement. All right, so I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it. And if you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video to teach you if else statement, which is important, more important than this one. All right, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.